tight crop.
Wewe kama mbati. Kakai kukaa hapo. Sikana kaode. Kana kukaa hapa.
Hapa mbele. Mutayo.
We celebrate his life as a president who served Kenya the longest, and at a time when Kenya was going through very turbulent times. It was during the Cold War, and the realities of running the country at a time when all those challenges and international community was going through very difficult moments meant that a lot of skills were necessary for you to keep the country united and keep the country moving. We also remember him for Kenya's contribution in peacekeeping initiatives across Africa, noting that from Southern Sudan and Namibia, and even in West Africa, Kenya has always been an active participant in peacekeeping missions, and largely because he understood that there could be no development without peace. We also celebrate him for a lot of the political wisdom that at the time when it was said did not seem to make much sense, but later on we came to see the wisdom. Many will remember, for example, that multipartyism would bring tribalism, and the reality is no sooner did we go that way than we started having parties around ethnic communities. So there are a lot that he said, and I think the assertion that he was a giraffe in the political context was indeed true, and we hope that some of his teachings will be followed. We also celebrate that a lot of the people in politics today, from the president, the deputy president, and all the other major players, are actually students of the late president. So not only did he rule during his time, but through all these other leaders, we can say that he has continued with his teachings and practice long after he is gone, and we celebrate him for that. As a county, we are also working together with the national government and all the people involved to ensure that we give him a worthy send-off, and therefore once we complete our arrangements on the ground, we shall make them public, so that every person who wants to participate in one way or the other has an opportunity to participate in the send-off.